Hey guys, this is Courtney from Vitality Nutrition. So today we're going to do a little Mexican themed meal prep, and we're going to start with our protein because once you have your protein prepped, the rest is super easy to throw together. So we're doing a salsa chicken. It's not even really fair to call this a recipe because it's only 2 ingredients. So today I'm using an instant pot, but if you don't have an instant pot, you can just do it in a slow cooker. So I measured out a pound of chicken breast, but you could even double this recipe and do 2 pounds. So I'm going to dump that in the instant pot, and then we're going to measure out a cup of salsa. Again, if you double this recipe, just go 2 cups for your salsa. So we'll dump that in, and if you wanted to get a little bit fancier, you could put in some garlic, chop up some onion, throw that in the pot, but we're going to keep it super simple, 2 ingredients. Alright, so we're back and the chicken is all done. It looks really good. The cool thing about this recipe is you can use any salsa you want. So I just used a regular salsa, but if you wanted to do like a southwestern black bean and corn salsa or maybe a mango salsa, that would be really tasty. So now that we have this protein ready, we can go ahead and prep our tacos. I'm making tacos today, but you could make a burrito bowl with some rice if you wanted to. Maybe you even wanted to make a big salad for a lower carb option. Or you could wrap it up and make a burrito. But for tacos, I have a few different ideas if you're looking for the carb side of things. So you could do a corn tortilla. I also picked up these whole wheat tortillas online at a website called Low Carb Grocery. And these are really neat because each tortilla has 11 grams of carbs, and 8 of those carbs are coming from fiber, so very, very high fiber. But maybe you want to keep this recipe lower carb, you could just use a lettuce wrap and wrap up your taco in a lettuce leaf. So I'm going to do a corn tortilla and add a little bit of the chicken on for some protein. Now if you want to make this a little bit more filling, you could add in some healthy fats. So some of my favorites are adding some avocado or some cheddar cheese. You could even do some sour cream if you wanted to. So I'm going to put some avocado on mine. Alright, so next up we have some veggies. I chopped up some tomatoes, fresh pepper, shredded lettuce. I have some onion and some cilantro. So I'm going to get in there with the veg, a little bit of tomato, and of course cilantro. And then if you want to add a little bit of fun to this recipe, you could use some extra salsa. So this is actually an avocado and tomatillo salsa from Costco. It's really, really good. Some people like to put some plain Greek yogurt on their tacos instead of doing sour cream, so that would be an option. Or another really good idea is to pick up these Bolt House dressings. They're at Sobeys, Walmart, or Safeway, and they're a little bit lower in calories because they're made of a yogurt base. So this is a salsa ranch, so it would be really tasty drizzled on your taco.